See what happens. We've got a 4-cell in it with a friggin' huge motor. 99 dB my ass. Here we go. This is the 800 series Reptile. We're running the Tau Pro ESCs. Now I've made a little canopy up to fit right in there snug to hold one of these old style cameras and a transmitter. I've put that on Thingiverse. We're running the Turnigy 2826 2200 kV. We're going to do that on a 3-cell. We've got a 7-inch prop and a 7x6 big mother fat prop. I've just put the elastic bands over it because I really don't trust the little magnets in these. If they fly off, they hit your propeller and you're out of service. So we've done a bit of a colour scheme on the bottom. A lot of it is just the fiberglass tape. What we're running is a 30 amp ESC that's good for 3 and 4S, and it doesn't allow the cover to fit in there, so bad luck for the cover. And yeah, that's it. So I've drilled a hole in the firewall there, and that allows the cable to run through and put the battery in the back in the compartment there. What we've also done is we've modified the little Sky Hunter. We've put this little cover on the top, and that holds the little FPV camera. I've made this little figure 8 up. I tore the wings off. As you can see, it's sort of mostly glued. But that strap is designed to sort of hold everything in place, and it does a really good job. So I've put that on Thingiverse. I've put that on Thingiverse, this little guy here. I've put these motor mounts that have got the bolt on Thingiverse, and I've put that canopy on Thingiverse. So there's the 800 sitting up there. We're going to run this and see how it goes with FPV.